App Onboarding plugin. On your Swipecart dashboard, click Add-ons Plugins. Select the App Onboarding plugin. On the App Onboarding plugin page, click Install to install the plugin. Customize your app onboarding experience with image carousels. Upload the images from your computer. Follow the size criteria to upload the images. Add the frequency. Save the changes. Now, go to App Designs. Click Preview to preview the onboarding image carousel on the mobile device. Select Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the onboarding image carousel on your Swipecart mobile app. Thank you for watching.